Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going to take you to the Caribbean. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot: Curry Beef Shortribs. Let's get to it. Let's get to the ingredients: black pepper, smoked paprika, turmeric, allspice, cumin, curry powder, bay leaf, diced garlic, fresh thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, diced onions, beef broth, and beef short ribs. I already washed them in lemon juice and rinsed them several times in cold water. Now, this is what we do. I have a pot here. I've put a little oil in it, and I'm going to saute the beef short ribs on each side for about 2 minutes. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. You don't want to crowd the pot too much because it will steam it and not saute the meat. Now it's time to flip them to the other side. And we're going to saute them on this side for another 2 minutes. Then we're going to take it out and fry the next batch. I've taken this beef short ribs out of the pot now, and it's time for the spices to jump in the pot and saute up for about 2 to 3 minutes. And we want to toast them up to get the nice fragrance of the spices. Now it's time for the onions to jump in the pot and the garlic. Now we're going to saute these up for about 3 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now it's time to add the beef broth and the bay leaf and the fresh thyme. And we're going to slice up the Scotch bonnet pepper and add it to the pot. Now we're going to add the beef short ribs to the pot. And we're going to let this cook for about 2 hours or until it's tender and falling off the bone. Here you have it: Curry Beef Shortribs. Enjoy. I'm serving the curry beef short ribs with rice and peas. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. By the way, check out some of my older videos on the screen below. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.